Everybody, it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. If you are returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so I have another synthetic wig review for you today, and this unit is from Mayde Beauty. Now, I have not reviewed a lot of wigs from this company on my channel, maybe just a few now. I feel like I'm starting to review them more and more. These last few months, I have been getting very acquainted with Mayde Beauty. So today's unit is in the style ARDELLE, and I have her in the color 1B. This unit comes with ear-to-ear lace, about 4 inches of lace parting space, and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. So let's go ahead and dive right into the review. So let's talk about Miss ARDELLE. Now, this is one of the newer units from this Mayde Beauty collection. I could put her in the beginner friendly category, maybe. Based on some of the things I experienced, I felt like I had to put in just a pinch of extra work that may not be beginner friendly. Okay, let's talk about some pros first. So for the most part, I pretty much like the style. You guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, I'm a huge fan of wavy units. And so this is giving me like wavy beach vibes. The only thing is it starts off, you know, you got the wavy right here, but then it just goes into like straight at the ends. And that could be a look. That might be a look for some, like an enjoyable look. I just kind of wish it was all wavy all the way down. Personal preference. I also like that it actually comes in some other really pretty colors, like this CM Brownie and CM Brandy, as well as this CM Brunette. So I like the color variations that they have. I also like that this unit comes brown girl friendly. It does come with this nice brown lace. I didn't have to work any harder to get it to mesh with my skin. So if you are a fairer complexion, you may have to lighten it up a little bit because yeah, it's like real brown lace here. Now for a few cons, this unit doesn't really come with like a very nice hairline or anything like that, which is why I chose to use the baby hairs to kind of camouflage that a little bit. It's not pre-plucked. It doesn't claim to be pre-plucked either, which I can appreciate. Don't tell me a story. Don't sell me a dream. The knots are also very big on this unit. I might have covered it up with the powder, but whew, these joints were like real noticeable. Using powder will help camouflage that a little bit more. Another con, I felt like the parting space was really dark. I mean, really dark. I felt like I probably should have used one of my silicone strips to brighten it up, but I just went in with the foundation powder, and that seemed to work for the most part. I mean, it lightened it up a little bit, but it was real dark. The baby hairs are really thick and long, so I definitely had to go in and tweeze some of those away and cut them, of course. So that's what I was talking about, where it's kind of hard to say if it's beginner friendly, because that was a little extra work that you would have to put into. Or just don't use the baby hairs at all and kind of hot comb them back into the wig. Now if you did that, yeah, it can probably stay beginner friendly. But having to go in and tweeze a lot of those hairs out if you want to use the baby hairs, a little more work. Now, I can't say that I've been experiencing a ton of tangling nor shedding. I have seen a couple of strands fall out, and this is a wavy unit, so I don't expect to be gliding through this hair. It is synthetic, so I do expect it to tangle massively over time. Now, this is a lot of hair, y'all. This is a lot of density on this wig, so if you don't like a lot of hair, might not be the wig for you. Now, you can kind of control the size or the volume of the hair. If you don't want it as voluminous, of course you can always go in with some foam mousse. I had to do that up top anyway because there were a lot of flyaways that I was trying to get rid of. But if I wanted this to be or look a lot less density or a lot less full, I would just go in with some more foam mousse throughout the hair and just kind of define these waves a little more, and it'll make it a lot less than what it really is. If you want it bigger, you can just take a comb and comb it out, and it will grow. Trust and believe, it will grow. So I decided to add a little accessory. You know, you just gotta accessorize sometimes. I thought this was so cute. I just picked this up from my local beauty supply yesterday or the day before. I was like, I've got to have that because I feel like I'm a queen anyway, especially in my own home. My husband is the king and my children are my prince and princess. That's literally how I have them saved in my phone, no lie. So it was very fitting, and I love it. I think it's cute. It adds a nice little touch. So the price of this wig has a pretty standard price of around $27. It's under 30, so it's pretty affordable for most. Y'all like my little microphone check? Microphone checkup, microphone checkup earrings. Well, that's really all I have on this unit. Of course, I'd love to know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this unit down in the comments below. Let's chat about this one. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me a nice little cute crown down in the comments below. That way I'll know. You made it, girl. You made it all the way to the end. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.